Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your Google tag on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways in which you can do this, and it all depends on what your tag starts with. There's one process for if your tag starts with a W, and another one if your tag starts with G. However, the beginning of both is pretty much the same, and it's going to start by adding an app. Now, the app we're going to add is by clicking Add Apps, and you need to find your Google app in the Shopify App Store. Now, I don't want to enter the App Store like that, so I'm just going to go here and I'm going to add Google in YouTube. There we go. Just click on that, and it's going to open up a new window where we're going to need to install that application to our service. What you need to do is just overview the permissions you need, and then you can just click install. Now, once that installs, what you're going to do is just make sure everything installs correctly, and then you're going to go ahead and start adding your tags. Now, as I mentioned, there are two different things you need to do. So once we go into our Google app, we're going to see which ways those are. So let's just let this load up. And now, as you can see, you do need to connect your Google account, which does have the specific permissions needed. So I'm just going to use this one, and you do need to use a Google Ads account for this. It does need to be a valid Google Ads account. And as you can see, you just need to set up either Google Analytics 4, or you're going to select a different thing for the different tag. Now, as you can see, Google Analytics 4 is like this, and I'll just go over to this instruction set right here just to give you the specifics. And yeah, to set up the AW tag, you just need to click on Google Ads conversion measurement, which I do not have available, and then you need to select your Google Ads account and click connect, and then complete the setup, and that should be it. However, for the G tag, we're going to be using the Google Analytics 4 banner. Just click on that, and then just select the Google Analytics property and click connect. So you can just click get started here, select your account, and that should be pretty much it for both. Hope you guys enjoyed. I did need to go over to the other instruction set just to show you guys something, but I only have Google Analytics for me. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.